So this is how you change a solenoid. First, you want to get that spring off there, just like so. And before you screw it, you just want to take the electrical off, and now you're able to get to that screw. Once you finish up with that final screw, there's going to be this metal plate. This is arguably, in my opinion, the hardest part to get off, but it's really easy. You just got to get a small screwdriver and kind of ply it forward. Then once you have that off, you're able to take off the solenoid itself. And here's a close-up of what the burnt solenoid will end up looking like. Next, you pop the new solenoid back into its place, and you want to put a screw in, not too tight though, or when it goes into that drain cycle, it'll kind of rattle and make a weird noise. Then right after, you want to put together your spring and the connecting piece, and then you'll grab your little anchor, and you get your anchor set into place so then it springs up and down as it should. And then once that's all done, you should be able to just apply back the electrical. You should have your wire tied down as so. And then the last, but definitely not the least important piece, is that little metal piece that we took off earlier. You want to make sure that's back into place so that solenoid doesn't come flying off and eventually leak. Then once you have that installed, you just want to run a cycle, make sure the solenoid goes up and down as it should. And if you change the solenoid, you always want to change the timer. I needed 2 hands for this part though, so I didn't record.